Welcome back. I don't feel like doing my whole table setup, so we're just gonna use the edge of the table and whatever. I'm not worried about chair. Don't judge me. I'm dressed, so I figure I'll do an unboxing before I get on. Unboxing, unpackaging, whatever. We got three bags here. I just mixed them up, so I don't know what's gonna be what. And these don't have the little peely thingy, like, what's it called? So I actually have to be careful not to tear up my something then. Come on. They always tell me not to cut these things. Oh, this would be the first one. Ah! Guys, I literally just made this. Why is this the first one? This is the way things work out. Funny as hell. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is huge. Did I get extra large? I meant to get large. I know they'd be men's sizes. Yo, this shirt thick. I made a shirt. Look it. This shirt is essentially my life because I'm delusional, but I'm definitely not desperate. Like, what? But yes. Okay, first of all, I see where they printed the goddamn shit on there, and that answers my question. You see it? You see the outline? Disappointment. But if I didn't notice that, because they use a big ass sheet. Damn, that's how big the center is gonna be. I slapdashed some things in the corner. What fell? Okay, whatever. Gravity's taking hold. But you see this big old, whatever. Probably wash a couple times, I might not see it anymore. But still. This was just a sample just because I was in a rush and wanted to see what it would look like. So, yeah. Happy about this though. It actually, outside of the box, I like how this came out. Love it. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm concerned about what the other ones are gonna look like because they're also shirts. So let us see. And all this free promo that I'm doing because they are with the branding, which makes sense for what they do. They send you free things and things in their packaging so you can say, hey, I want to do that too. God damn. Okay. I'm not entirely pleased with how that one came out. But this is also for me as test. I mean, it don't mean I'm not going to wear it. Nobody's not going to wear it. But shit looks more orange and everything. Okay, so did I just cut open the other bag why it opened so easily? Because where's the opening on this? There's no opening. Okay, so there's that. Love that you do to me. It says, I thought it said small. I was like, what? Why is there an S? Alright. Damn, so I got all of these in extra large. I effed up there. Probably gonna make this into a crop top. But as you can see, ugh. I'm trying things out. We're gonna see. You know, these are, like I said, one-offs for me to see what it would look like. And I see, so now I know. But I mean, they printed it as is. They printed it as is. Logo looks great, per usual. But I hate that I can see the thing from where they ironed it on. All right, so let's see. Last one. Am I gonna be disappointed in this too? Hope not. And you know what's funny? I probably wouldn't have noticed it that quickly if it wasn't for this bright ass light shining on it. Oh, come on. Try not to cut people them something. Did I just use the... I'm tired. If I tell y'all what time it is, y'all will be like, girl, you still up? Yes, it's past my bedtime. Come on. Okay. Yeah, I got extra large for all of them. You're forgetting that most of the time these sites, it's men's sizes, not women's sizes. So that was my bad. Oh, yeah, I don't like what they did with this because I've ordered from them before and it did not look like this. Yeah, because you see the fucking square. Like, look at that. It's like right, like literally from here, like you can see it. And it wasn't like that with the other ones before because like I said, I've ordered with them before and this was not a thing. So, because like literally this is a shirt and then this is where the print starts. Like, and this is, first of all, y'all are using this big ass print for that little ass logo in the corner. Like the whole shirt. You couldn't cut it? I don't like that. Don't like that at all. And they want to send me freaking surveys to freaking do whatever. No. I'm going to give y'all a bad flipping review. This is like the only thing I've ever been disappointed with them. The printing looks great. I just don't like the big old square on top of it. Like, but like I said, probably wash it one time. It'll come out. Maybe. So yes, we got 3 shirts here. Pointless creates Pointless Socks logo shirt, and my I'm delusional, not desperate. Okay, yeah, look at me, my black and yellow. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Make sure you subscribe to this here YouTube channel, you know, for all things Pointless. Make sure you, what else do I want to say? What else do you need to make sure to do? Listen to the podcast on all your favorite streaming places. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your mama, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, your daddy, your brothers, all of them. Tell everybody. Listen to Pointless Talks. And yeah, I think that's all I got for you. So just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye.